Welcome to the StatTree video module for Spearman Correlation. To test whether there is a relationship between two ordinal variables, the Spearman rank order correlation would be appropriate. You will need two ordinal variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any two of the response options for the first question regarding favorite type of show would be appropriate for this test. For this demonstration, we will use action and comedy. To run the Spearman rank order correlation test for association in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you have already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane, browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for the relationship between action and comedy movies. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the p-value figure. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.